evening, ladies and gentlemen. I saw a few videos of people using violin bows on their guitars, and I also saw people using pencils and pens as bows on their guitars. So what I wanted to do is to try out makeshift bows with stuff I can find around the house. Let's go do some tests in my laboratory.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces.
Works great using 2 strings. Number 1 pick.
Nope.
I like this one too.
Alright, so here are my favorite picks on the tests that I did. At number 10, we have the toothpick that broke adding rosin on it, so I never even got to try it out. Number 9 was the coffee stirrer. Another fail if you ask me. Number 8 was the Pogo Stick. It was uncomfortable and I didn't really like the way it sounded. Number 7 was the Popsicle Stick. I thought it was the perfect width to play on 2 strings at the same time. Number 6, the skewer was great but a little too flexible for my taste. Number 5 was the pencil. I thought it was easy to handle and sounded good. Number 4 was the Matchstick. It was easy to play fast with it and one of my favorites if you ask me. Number 3, well, the next 3 were very close. The Deluxe skewer was awesome, easy to add rosin for friction and fun to play with. Number 2, the Fancy Toothpick had the perfect length to it so it wouldn't hit the back of the guitar if you went too deep into the sound hole. Honestly, I'd say it was even with my number 3 choice. And my number 1 pick was the Chopstick. It is sturdy, very easy to handle, and has a good grip and sounds great.
So the moral of the story is you should always have a thirst for knowledge. Experiment. Don't be afraid to look stupid. Try out some new stuff. I hope you have learned something valuable today.